y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and I'm here today to celebrate with you.
I just wanted to come on today and say, woohoo! We hit 100 subscribers. I'm so excited and thankful. I'm praying for 1,000. I'm praying for 1,000. So if you would do me a favor and share my videos with your friends and family on your Facebook page, or give me a like or a comment or a share, that will continue to help my channel grow, and that would be a major blessing for all my faithful followers and for all your kind comments and encouragement. It's just so uplifting, and I just wanted to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. This is the time where we're going to be sharing with one another what we're thankful for. And I'm thankful for so many things. For the love of God first, and my family, my wonderful husband, my son, his beautiful bride, my new grandson. I've got the greatest sisters in the world. I've got the greatest sister-in-law in the world, the greatest mom, and I'm so blessed that she's still with me. And extended family, amazing friends. I just feel so blessed. There's just so many wonderful people that God has put into our life, and I'm just grateful for each and every one of them. I know that from the bottom of my heart, that we are so grateful for each and every one of you that supports us, prays for us, loves on us. It's just a blessing. I hope as you get to spend time with your family over the next week for Thanksgiving that you go around the table and you share what your blessings are. If you haven't seen my video on the placemats that I created that say what I'm thankful for, I'll link that video on the end card here as well. Just take time to uplift one another and to share why you're thankful for each other. I hope that I show my thankfulness more than one time a year. I try to be grateful. I try to find the goodness in every day. I try to be thankful every day. I write in my journal every day what I'm thankful for. But I want to wish each and every one of you a happy Thanksgiving. God bless you and your family.
As I said, my next goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you'd like to help me grow my channel, please share this with your friends, either on Facebook or through the share button. I would so appreciate it. If you just happened to stumble by and you're not yet subscribed, I hope you'll consider it.